Good day, everyone. We are the reporters of Lesson 2, which is the history of science and technology. But first, let's define science. Science encompasses our understanding of everything in the universe, from the smallest subatomic particles within an atom to the nuclear reactions powering the sun, and the intricate chemical and electrical processes in the human body that enable cognition and comprehension. So, science is basically about sa pagsabot sa tanan nga mga butang sa universe, from sa pinakagamay kaayo nga butang like kanang subatomic particles sulod sa atom hangtod sa dagkong pahitabo sama sa nuclear reactions nga naghatag og kusog sa sun. Apil po diri ang mga complicated nga chemicals ug electrical processes sa lawas sa tawo, like unsaon nato paghunahuna, pagsabot ug pagreact sa ato ang palibot. While science cannot be precisely defined, it is characterized by systematic inquiry and empirical testing. Our understanding of the natural world is built through science, which relies on testing ideas with evidence from nature. Bisan hard kaayo i-define ang science sa usa lang ka sentence, makaila bitaw ta or maka-detect gyapon ta kung unsa na siya. Because ang science kay systematic nga pangutana. Dili lang bitaw siya puro theory or opinion lang. Kung naka-idea, kinahanglan nimo i-test gamit ang evidences nga makita ra po nato sa nature. Mao na nga pinaagi bitaw sa science, hinahinay nato masabtan kung giunsa pag-work ang natural world based sa facts o experiments, dili lang sa ato ang thinking lang. Murag ingon ay bitaw siya nga ang science kay way nato sa pagpangutana og kung ngano ug unsaon, unya mangita ta og tubag gamit ang evidences. Simple na siya pero powerful kayo. Science has checklists to determine how scientific something is. It includes focuses on the natural world, aims to explain the natural world, uses testable ideas to, realities and evidence, involves the scientific community, leads to ongoing research, and benefits from scientific behavior. This checklist offers a framework to identify the types of activities fall within the realm of science. Some characteristics are fundamental to science, such as focusing on the natural world, while others are not essential. So, this checklist kay murag giya or guide nato bitaw para mahibal-an nato kung unsang mga activities ang pwede nato tawgon nga science. Kay dili man tanan buhat or idea kay science dayon. So, kani nga checklist motabang nato para mo identify kung pasok ba ni siya sa scientific nga process. Kay naay uban mga characteristics nga very important jud sa science, like ang focus niya kay sa natural world gyud, meaning ang science mag-deal na jud sa mga butang nga makita nato, ma-observe, ma-test sa nature. Dili siya mag-base sa opinion lang or imong personal belief. Pero naapoy ka ng uban characteristics nga dili bitaw kaayo required para matawag nato nga science ni siya. Helpful sila pero kung wala, dili pod pasabot nga dili na science dayon. So, kinatibuk-an ani niya is ang checklist gyud kay mutabang nato, mo-help nato nga makita or masabtan nato kung unsa ang science ug unsa ang dili. It is a way nga kanang pagtan-aw kung unsa ang mga features nga naa sa usa ka activity. Science has limits. Science can only address questions about the natural world and its phenomena, and cannot provide answers to supernatural or metaphysical questions. So, science has limits. Dili pasabot nga ang science kay maghatag og tubag sa tanang pangutana nato. Kay ang kaya ra gyud sa science no, kay ang mo address og questions about sa natural world ug sa mga phenomena nga makita nato or ma-observe ug ma-experiment. Like kung ang pangutana ka about sa supernatural or metaphysical, like mga butang nga dili man jud matest sa kanang or ma-prove na to gamit ang experiments or evidences, dili na siya sakop sa science. Dili pud pasabot nga sayop ni nga mga pangutana ha, kundi di lang gud sila pasok sa scope sa science. And then we have the definition of technology. The meaning of technology has changed over the centuries. It originally referred to the study of arts and later described tools, instruments, and machines. So, ang technology as time goes by, naglahi-lahi gyud ang iyahang meaning. Kay sa una, ang term nga technology kay nag-refer siya sa study of arts. Dili pa gyud siya about kanang mga machines, gadgets, or unsa pa na diha. And then later on, ni-evolve siya o ni-describe na siya nga sama sa tools, instruments, ug machines nga gigamit sa mga tao adlaw-adlaw. In the 19th century, it became associated with the practical application of science. So, pag-abot sa 19th century na, mas clear na na-connect na ang technology sa practical application na sa science. Meaning, kung unsay na-diskubrihan sa kanang mga sa science, ang technology maoy ang way para ma-apply siya in real life, like gamit systems o processes. And today, technology includes both processes and physical devices and also reflects socio-economic development such as high-tech industrialized economies. Karon na siya or nowadays kay kung mag-ingon na ta og technology, dili lang ni siya about physical devices sama sa mga gadgets or machines. Apil na po diri ang mga processes ug ang kausaban na sa society, like unsaon pag-develop sa high-tech nga kanang industry ug kung giunsa niini pag-influence ang economy ug lifestyle sa mga tao. In short, ang technology kay result sa kanang science nga gi-apply na to tinuod sa kanang kinabuhi ug it is kanang dako ni siya part sa ato ang modern nga kalibutan.
Let's move to the early civilization. The early civilizations across different regions laid the groundwork for much of our modern science and society. The Mesopotamians came up with cuneiform, usa siya sa mga earliest writing system, and na Bay 16 number system na naka-influence unsaon nato pag-measure ang time, which is 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour. The ancient Egyptians showed remarkable skill through sa ilang massive pyramids, methods of preserving bodies, which is ang mummification, accurate calendars, and their own writing forms. In ancient India, were built with smart urban planning and strong infrastructures na nag-show og advanced organization. Meanwhile, ang ancient Greek thinkers like Thales, Empedocles, Pythagoras, Plato, and Aristotle nagpropose sila og basic ideas about how nature works, the principle of mathematics, and how we gain knowledge, shaping Western thoughts for centuries. Back in 3200 BCE, ang ancient India cities were impressively well organized. Ang tanan houses were made of baked bricks of the same size. Streets were laid out in a net grid like a chessboard. And there was a clever system para sa mga drainage, sewage, and water supply. This meant waste was carried away properly. Fresh water was easily available, and the city stayed clean and pleasant to live in, showing just advanced their planning skills were. From 600 to 501 BCE, ang Greek thinkers built the basis for modern science and philosophy. Si Thales, iyang giklaim na ang tubig is the basic stuff everything in the universe is made of. And iyang gi-explain ang natural events by watching them instead of blaming gods. Din ingon sa Empedocles that all matters consist of four elements, which is ang earth, water, air, and fire, controlled by two forces, the love na nakapahiusa sa butang and strife which pulls them apart. Then si Pythagoras, he made the Pythagorean theorem well known and formalized it. Si Plato stressed that math and geometry na maukuno ang way to understand the universe, while ingon si Aristotle, he believed na ang knowledge comes from observing sa atong mga senses and we can form general rules by noticing patterns. In the Middle Ages, scholars including Albert Magnus, St. Thomas Aquinas, and Roger Bacon played key roles in advancing learning. Naggathered sila og mga existing knowledge from different sources, making it easier to pass down sa mga later generations. They also encourage using reasons to understand the world rather than relying solely on tradition. Additionally, they carried out experiments that lead to progress in fields like astronomy, which is studying the stars and planets, medicine for treating illness, philosophy for thinking about life's big question, and optics is to studying light and sights.
The history of science. Science in the modern era. The 16th and 17th centuries mark a major transformation in science through the Copernican revolution. During this period, systematic observation and experimentation became the foundation of scientific study. Scientists such as Nicholas Copernicus, Galileo Galilei, and Isaac Newton play key roles in establishing the scientific method, leading to major advancement across different scientific fields. So this period marked a big change in how science was studied. Scientists started using careful observation and experiments instead of just beliefs. Famous scientists like Copernicus, Galileo, and Newton helped develop the scientific method, which led to many discoveries in physics, astronomy, and other fields. Next is the 20th and 21st century science. Scientific progress accelerated with discoveries in quantum theory, relativity, genetic, atomic structure, DNA, climate science, medicine, space exploration, and genomics. These advancements reshape our understanding of the universe, life, and the environment. So, during the 90s up to today, science advanced very fast. Discoveries in quantum physics, DNA, medicine, space exploration, genetics, and climate science change how we understand life, health, and the universe. These discoveries also help improve technology, medicine, and daily life. For simple idea, modern science brought fast discoveries that improve life and knowledge. So next is the history of technology. Technology evolved from early tools in fire to agriculture, irrigation, sailing ships, iron use, gunpowder, printing, steam engines, electricity, communication systems, computers, space technology, genetic engineering, and artificial intelligence. So, technology started from simple tools in fire and slowly developed into machines. So, each invention helped humans work faster, communication better, and live more comfortably. For simple idea, technology evolved from simple tools into advanced machines to make life easier. So over the years, science and technology have continuously evolved, driving human progress and shaping the modern world. From early innovations like the irrigation system to recent advancements in the World Wide Web and artificial intelligence, each period has seen significant developments that enhance our understanding and improve our lives. Rapid technological changes continue to revolutionize medicine, communication, and space exploration. This ongoing evolution highlights humanity's pursuit of knowledge and our ability to solve complex problems, envisioning a future with boundless possibilities. So for this, science and technology continue to grow and help solve problems in medicine, communication, transportation, and space exploration. These advancements improve our quality of life and show how humans continue to search for knowledge, innovation, to create a better future. For simple idea, science and technology help improve life and shape the future. So that's all. Thank you for listening and watching. Bye-bye.